Take page number 9. Take page number 9. See, test yourself. Fill in the blanks with suitable relative pronouns. Fill in the blanks with suitable relative pronouns. First one, here is the pen dash you had lost. Here is the pen dash you had lost. The answer is which? The answer is which? Already I told which is used only things. Second one, he is a man dash you can trust. The answer is whom. Third one, most people get dash they deserve. Answer is what? Answer is what? Fourth one, Soumya is the girl to dash I spoke. Whom I spoke. Whom I spoke. Fifth one, where is the book? Dash I have you. Where is the book? Dash I gave you. The answer is which? The answer is which? Sixth one, he saw the dog dash worried the cat. Answer is which? Which worried the cat? Seventh one, time dash is lost is never found again. Seventh one also which? Eighth one, he dash does his best shall be rewarded. Who? Answer is who? Ninth one, I do not know the boy dash hit your dog. Who hit your dog? The answer is who? Tenth one, there is no one dash has not lost a friend. Tenth one also who? He has gone to Kota dash is his birthplace. The answer is which? The answer is which? 12th one, I have seen the bird dash you are describing. 12th one, answer is which? 13th one, the old man gave away dash he did not need. The answer is what? Answer is what? Write neatly in your book. Okay, use pencil. Next, take page number 11. Use the correct forms of the interrogative pronoun in the following. First one, dash wishes to see me. Who wishes to see me? First one, answer is who. Second one, dash did she say was the winner? Who did she say was the winner? Third one, whom did he invite? Answer it, whom did he invite? Fourth one, dash do you think I am? Who do you think I am? Fifth one, answer is who. Who do you believe did this? Sixth one, of dash are you speaking? Whom? Answer is whom. Seventh one, dash did you see? Answer is whom did you see? Answer is whom did you see? Seventh one, answer is what? Eighth one, answer is whom. Whom do you mean? Ninth one, to dash did you give the key? Whom? Answer is whom. 10th one, which? 11th one, whom? 12th one, answer is which? 13th one, answer is which? 14th one, who? 15th one, who? And 16th one also which? See second one. Say whether the words underlined in the following sentences are interrogative pronouns or interrogative adjectives. Here many sentences are given. You have to choose which one is interrogative pronouns or interrogative adjectives. I didn't say interrogative adjectives, isn't it? Interrogative pronouns means ask for asking questions, isn't it? In interrogative adjectives, what, which, and whose. What, which, and whose can also be used as interrogative adjectives. Okay, when they are placed before noun, they are placed before noun. Used interrogative adjectives. Okay, which one? What, which, and whose. See book exercise. First one, whose is this mischief? Whose is this mischief? The answer is interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Second one, what did your teacher say? What did your teacher say? This one also interrogative pronoun. Third one, whose poem are you reading? Whose poem are you reading? This one interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives. Fourth one, what are you doing nowadays? Interrogative pronoun. Answer is interrogative pronoun. Fifth one, which boy was absent yesterday? Interrogative adjective. Answer is interrogative adjectives. Sixth one, what do you want to do in holidays? Interrogative pronoun. Answer is interrogative pronoun. Seventh one, whose portrait do you want to draw? Seventh one, interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjective. Eighth one, which girl won the dance competition? Interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective. Ninth one, which is the best restaurant in this city? Which is the best restaurant in this city? Ninth one, interrogative pronoun. Last one, what gifts have you bought for your little brother? 10th one, interrogative adjectives. 10th one, interrogative adjectives. You should complete the book exercise. Next class we will see. Thank you, students.